Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced Nestea light original lemon iced tea. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice into the glass. And then you put in 1 spoon of the iced tea mix. Go over here and you put in with water. It's not bad. That's light. It's by the way, it's 1 tablespoon of the iced tea mix. Just wanted you to know that. And it's perfect. Close this up. And here is your iced light Nestea original lemon iced tea. Thank you for watching. Have a great time and peace.